Going to perform an oil change on the 2017 Nissan Rogue. Right, there's your oil plug point. There's your transmission pan. I got a 14 millimeter wrench on the drain plug. Watch it, the exhaust right there, it's kind of hot. Got it all out. You can see the oil's kind of black. All right, going back in with the drain plug. On my 14-inch wrench, tighten it up. See, that's tight. We'll wipe that whole oil off of there. All right, this is what I use for the filter. This is a filter pliers. Filter right here. Make sure gasket is intact on that old filter. Wipe the excess face plate. Get my new 4612. Like I say, I like to lubricate that filter so it don't be hard to take off when you next oil change. You want to do these filters hand tight. There you have it, under 5-minute oil change on the 2017 Nissan Rogue. Follow my page.